I know many of you are worried and wondering if this is really the end of prop firms. What will happen with your current challenges and funded accounts? Is it worth buying new challenges, and which prop firms are actually legit and worth investing in? I will address all of these concerns in this video, and I will share where I'm planning on trading in the months ahead. I already shared with you in a video that FTMO has disabled my account because I was manipulating their services since I was trading with expert advisors. And first of all, I want to say thank you guys for all of the support below that video. For just 10 days there are 550 comments below the video, which really means the world to me. And of course there are some comments like, hey Petko, you're not reading the terms and conditions and you're complaining on your YouTube channel. Well guys, I'm not actually complaining. I wanted transparently to show what happens, and so you will know that trading with expert advisors is not really a good idea on FTMO, but I want you to get the main thing. The prop firms like FTMO and most of the others don't want you to make money. I found a good robot, Waka Waka. I shared it in many of my videos, and when many of my subscribers and followers did the same, obviously they got upset and terminated my accounts. Now, why would you do that if you are profitable, if your clients are profitable as well? Now see, I have my team of traders and I make money when they make money. Imagine at the end of the month my traders are profitable in their accounts and I will say, hey, good job guys, you know what, you're fired. So it's pretty much the same thing. If there is real trading going on in the prop firms and I make 80% and they make 20% from all of the profits I generated in my accounts from the expert advisor, and if many of you did the same, and if many other traders are profiting with expert advisors, obviously the prop firm would be happy to keep all of us and to earn from our profits. And in another video I was showing the results from the Waka Waka on my 200k funded account, and did you notice something? It's a demo server. Indeed, the 200k funded account was on a demo server, and it's not just with FTMO but with many other prop firms, and I've seen such comments all over the internet on my YouTube channel why we buy challenges and we receive demo accounts instead of live accounts, or even worse, we get funded and still we receive our funded account on a demo server. Now there are a few possible reasons, and the first one is that the prop firms do not pay MetaQuotes, which is the developing company of MetaTrader, when they offer demo accounts, and they pay them just for the real accounts. But for me personally, it is just because there is no real trading going on behind the scenes. And third is indeed the fact that MetaTrader is not available now on many prop firms. And all of that probably started back in 2022 when the Apple Store removed the MetaTrader app, and there were different rumors why this is happening. Some were saying this is because of the conflict between Ukraine and Russia, so many Russian companies were under pressure. Others were saying this is because of a scam broker that was using MetaTrader, so MetaTrader now is clearing the scam from its services. But I personally have another theory, and this is that the huge brokers behind the prop firms are actually clearing the scam. See, huge brokers like 8cap offer their services to many prop firms, and once you buy a challenge from any of these, you will see the server of 8cap. And obviously when the prop firm turns out to be a scam, it puts a bad name on 8cap or any of the huge brokers providing the service and MetaTrader to the prop firm. And unfortunately, one of the prop firms that I was using called FX2 funding also stopped offering MetaTrader, and I had a 200k funded account that I've shown in some of my videos, and I had the Waka Waka trading on it. Here it is, and you can see that I've made a decent profit. And after they removed MetaTrader, I said to myself, okay, let's try to ask for a payout and see if they're actually legit. So I did ask for the payout, and guess what? They paid it to me. You can see that on the 6th of March, I have received nearly $3,000 from FX2 funding. And if I decide to trade manually again, I would probably look into that prop firm and use their new web-based platform. And at the beginning of the video, I mentioned that I will talk about the legit prop firms, or which are legit prop firms. To make it clear, guys, there have never been legit prop firms, regulated prop firms. We haven't seen such a thing until the moment. Now, see, what I've been doing so far is to test the prop firms myself and now with my team. So before showing a prop firm on my channel, we do our best to compare a few prop firms, to get funded, ask for a payout, and only then show it in the channel. The problem is, even they pay out to me, they might not pay out to you, because they know that I have a YouTube channel and I might show that in a video. And this is where I really don't feel comfortable now showing any prop firms. And I asked my team now to keep looking for prop firms. My teammate Nikos got a payout yesterday from one prop firm, and probably we will buy more challenges and test and trade expert advisors in these accounts. But I will not promote any prop firms, and for this reason I prefer just to share my prop trading, and we already made all of our challenges and funded accounts available, so you can track the performance at any moment for each expert advisor. But it's absolutely up to you which prop firm you will be using. And I still believe that there are some good guys, a good team behind a prop firm somewhere around the world, just like my team, where the only purpose is to create useful content and make money out of profitable robots in many different accounts. And if it happens that MetaTrader won't be available for all prop firms, obviously this will be the end of the prop firms for me, because I won't be able to trade with expert advisors. All of the prop firms that are web-based and are not dependent on MetaTrader, they will be there, and most probably they will continue to scam most of the traders. And at the beginning of the video I said that I will share where I'm planning to trade in the following months, and if I bring one of my VPSs, you will see the Darwinex account where I have the Grid Machine, which is a free expert advisor from the MQL5 marketplace, and I have shared it in a few videos. So I've been trading this account since 22nd of December, and until the moment, until the 6th of March, you can see that I've made nearly $40,000 of a profit. And if I show you my Darwin, you will see that I have received allocation twice. So first I got 30k, and then I received 60,000 euro allocation, which is not a lot. I know 60,000 compared to 200k account is way lower amount, and I've been profitable for over 3 months in this account, and I got just 60k. But this is the difference when you trade with a prop firm and a platform where you can attract investments through Darwinex for a certain amount every month. So pretty much you sign up with Darwinex, then you start trading and you build your Darwin. If you are profitable just as I am in this account, you will start receiving allocation, and you will receive 15% from the profits you accumulated. This is called the performance fee. 15%, guys, not 85. that the prop firms offer, and this is where all the scam comes. As well, if you have noticed in my accounts, I've made nearly 40%, but if I go to buy Darwin, you will see that it says just 8.53%. This is because their risk engine multiplies the performance in your account according to the risks you are taking, the asset you are trading, or the overall performance. And you can see that in my account I have sold euro dollar with 26.68 lots, and my Darwin trades with 7.63. So pretty much the Darwin engine has lowered the risk from this huge position that I have in my account, and it obviously takes a few different factors like the risk you are taking, the asset you are trading, the overall performance, or the drawdown. I don't know exactly all of the features included in the Darwin engine, but the purpose is to lower the risk for the investors. And something more I want to show you is if I click on correlation. As I said, the grid machine is a free expert advisor. I already showed it in a few videos, and obviously many of my subscribers already placed it on a Darwinex account. But look at this, the correlation between our accounts is below 90 for all of them. Actually, the highest is 0.81. You can see that this is by Darwin, TBAA, and then if I click on the next one, you will see the correlation here, and then the next one, you can see a very similar performance, and then the fourth one, and so on and so on. So already many traders are using the same expert advisor just like me, and we are correlated, but I still received the allocation this month. Now leave a link down below in the description to the article where you can read more about the correlation in Darwinex. Here it is. I won't go through the details, but you will learn how exactly it is measured. And if you decide to use any of the robots I show in my videos on Darwinex, make sure to change a little bit the input so the correlation won't be huge. And very important, don't jump now to trade the grid machine, because at the time of recording this video, you can see that it opened many positions with huge lots, and you can see that I'm currently running a loss of over $13,000, nearly $14,000, because it's a grid system, and I don't know if it will be able to recover these trades. But as always, I will leave the link to my account down below in the description, so whenever you're watching the video, you can see how the robot is performing, and through my FX book you will be able to see the results. Whenever you're watching the video, you will be able to see if there are open trades and what is the overall performance. So far it's been profitable, but as I like to say, there is never a guarantee that a robot which makes profits today will be profitable tomorrow. So make sure you do your due diligence, make sure you spend a lot of time researching the prop firm or the broker or the platform you will be using, so you won't lose your money in a day or two. Also, if you decide to join Darwinex, I'll leave the link down below in the description, and you could use coupon Petko10 to get an extra discount from the sign up fee. As always, I thank you so much for watching today's video, guys, and staying with me until the end. Thanks for all of the support, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss future updates on prop firms, Darwinex, expert advisors, results, and anything related to algo trading. Before you go, check out this video on my side and you will learn more about the Darwinex platform. And until then, I wish you safe trading. Don't forget that I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.